everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany Janelle TV. It's your girl Brittany. So by the title of this video, y'all, it is going to be my monthly Ivy box. So this one is June. So today I got my soror Kamala on. It says Kamala for the people at the bottom. So if I have anyone new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this June Ivy box unboxing, make sure you give me one. Okay, so if you haven't checked out my previous Ivy box unboxings, make sure you check it out. But this is usually what the box comes in. So let's see what's inside, y'all. Okay, and then of course, y'all, like I said before, I like the wrapping paper, but I gotta break it. So, but before I break it, I'm gonna read to you guys what items is in this month's box. Actually, they gave us a card. It's the Ivy Box Summer Collection Plus Vault sale, and that's going to be Friday, July 2nd. And then they're giving us a subscribers, well, like a code you can use for the sale. All right. Now, in this month's box, well, the theme is a little prep in your step. I like that. And what's in the box is 20 pearls varsity cable knit top, 20 pearls varsity cable knit shorts, and then we have some emerald and pearl drop earrings. So, oh, let's see. And then also on the card, it has the theme, a little prep in your step. So, I'll go with the earrings first. I really like this box. It says Ivy box on here. Oh, these earrings are cute. Oh, these are really cute. I really like these. Those like really elegant. That's what I really like. Yeah, these earrings are really cute to me, y'all. With me, y'all already know I love jewelry, so definitely can add this to my collection. For these last two items, this is the knit top, which I actually like. I feel like, you know, like the way they look, I don't know why it reminds me like if I want to go play some tennis or something. But I really like this one as well. Most likely I'm wearing this in my house. I'm not wearing this, most likely I would not wear this in public. But yeah, and then also here are the shorts. The material feels really good, y'all. It feels super soft, like a sweater, I would basically say. But yeah, I actually like these shorts. Like it just, you know, just feel like something, like some cute loungewear that you can just wear in your house. So yeah, but this one, they both feel good. Yeah, so that is it for this month's June Ivy box unboxing. Y'all, I actually really like the items. I know there was just two of them that I showed to y'all for this month's box, but I actually really like them. I mean, I think the sweater and all of that is like some cute loungewear. And then also I really like the earrings. But as usual, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I love my subscribers. I will see you in my next video.